Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable gift wrapping on Etsy. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you sell on Etsy and you also want to go ahead and offer gift wrapping services. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to Etsy. Then on the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then click on Account Settings. Now on this page here on the left-hand side, click on Settings again, then click on Options. Then from here, you want to scroll down until you find the section that says Offer Gift Wrapping. So with this, you can set your own price, your gift options will appear on every listing, and buyers can add gift wrap and a gift message during checkout. So click on Enable and Set Price, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to go ahead and enable gift wrapping on Etsy. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.